This year is Basbos. Welcome to Gaming Fang channel. In today's video, I have a thread update for you guys. Alright. Now, this video is all about Willis Capital and a guy who went into contract agreement with them. Alright. Yesterday, I got a message from a subscriber. Alright. If I shout out to all my subscribers out there, you guys are really amazing. So the guy sent me a message on my WhatsApp, and I'm going to read it the same way it came in. He said, "Greetings, Mr. Frank. There is this video I want you to see on YouTube. It is a complaint on one of our prop firms in Nigeria. This is actually painful, okay? If this can happen to a partner of a prop firm, then what could possibly happen to a trader? Alright? I know it's probably not in my place to share this complaint with you, so you can raise awareness, but could not overlook it. Please keep me anonymous." Right? In fact, thank you for reaching out, young man. I don't know you, but it's still what it is. So I asked him, "Are you way up?" Because I checked the video, and the video was coming from a guy way up calling Willis Capital a scam. Okay, from the guy's video, he titled it, "Willis Capital scammed me." Alright, that's what I saw there. So I now asked him, "Are you actually the way up?" He said no, a subscriber. So that's how I got to know that somebody is calling Willis Capital a scam on YouTube. And as you all know, I have once recommended this prop firm. In fact, I have always recommended this prop firm for you guys to use. And take note, I've never promoted Willis Capital. I've never went into any agreement with Willis Capital to promote them. So that's to show you that I will be very transparent when it comes to this matter. So when I come back from this short break, I will dive into the details of this video. Don't go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. This topic is very important to me because Willis Capital is a brand I have recommended for you guys. In fact, some of you are trading Willis Capital because I recommended it for you guys. Now, note, I have never promoted them in terms of agreement. In fact, I've never seen 1 naira of Willis Capital, or even Dapo Willis himself, 1 kobo, you see. So that means I will be very transparent doing this video. Now, Way Up also is a guy who I also admire. Take note. So I will not also want to hurt him, all right? So I will be on the truth. So what happened actually is this. Way Up signed an agreement with Willis Capital. He wants to promote them. This is business. So when we are discussing business, please remove sentiment. If you're watching this video now, you are watching a business video, not emotional love. If you want to watch love song, open Whiskey channel, you will see love music. Watch this video and watch what I'm saying here with business mindset if you want to be a businessman. All right. So Way Up signed a contract. All right. He has been doing his documentary from day one, you know, but that fateful day he decided to sign a contract to promote a company called Willis Capital. I greet you. Now, signing a contract means you want to be part of that company. All right. You want to start promoting that company. You have satisfied that this company is genuine and legal. So the very first day Way Up signed this contract, he approved Willis Capital 100%. And probably he must have done his due diligence. He has checked this company, this prop firm, and saw that they are good. And that's why he went into an agreement. So what happened is when the agreement had an issue, I don't know how the issue came about, but the thing is they had an issue along the line. Now he decided to come up and call this company a scam because of this issue they had with him. You know, now this time around, mixing business with sentiment, which is not really nice. You have a contract with a company, you can even take the company to court instead of going the route of defamation, okay? You know what I'm saying here, I've signed contract with other companies, other brokers. I've done promotion and I know how it works. When we are signing, I have to sign with my document, something like my national ID card, and the company also will also bring their own documents, okay? So that if they violate any policy, I will just go straight to the court because this is business. I will sue them. So Way Up, do you know you have rights to take Willis Capital to court? I don't know if you are aware. You can take that contract you have signed with them, okay? If you think they have violated any of their promises, carry them to court. You are going to win them if that is the truth. So coming on YouTube to call them a scam now, we will not know if what we are saying is truly what happened, because we did not hear from part B, that is the Willis Capital, because this is business between two of you, right? You just came up and said yours. So for us to even conclude or say that they are scam, we also need to hear from Willis Capital's part. And from what I heard from your video, you said that you promoted them, right? They denied you payouts. They denied you payouts when you made profit. And also, the money they promised to give you, they did not give you, which is bad. And then one of the reasons you stated in that same video, because I watched that video with all my energy. So in that same video, you said that in your promotion, you mentioned them. Just that sometimes you mix links. That you bring up link of one other prof firm and also post Willis Capital link. So they complain of that, which is actually a business violation. If I am to promote Viva detergent, for instance, I'm going to talk about Viva detergent here. I recommend you to buy it, and every other link I have to post on my description will be Viva detergent's link. So if by any circumstance I post Viva's link and post another detergent link together in a video I called promotion for Viva, Viva has the right to say I did not promote them. Okay, yeah, they can say that that video is not for them, because that is not how it is done. Maybe you don't know, maybe it's not your fault, maybe you think, So the best would have been you going back to that team and resolving the issues amicably. If you are calling on Willis Capital to come forth, all right, to come forth and do the needful, and they are running away, they are snubbing you, you go to court instead of defamation. Okay, go to Willis Capital. Okay, I'm going to say this because this is also business. The young man has done some work, right? So totally denying him no payment, no payout, that would be so brutal, or let's say injustice to the core. All right, if he had done some videos, because according to the same video Way Up dropped, he says he has done so many videos about the company, just that sometimes he mixed links. He put Willis Capital link and he put one other prof firm link alongside with that. But in the main video, he discussed this brand. So Willis Capital, I think this is something you guys can call him, because this video he made is actually going to harm your prof firm. I must be honest. Okay, so what you need to do is call him, okay, and then settle him. You cannot negotiate and balance the checkbook. This is business, so not sentiment, not what you may be thinking. You want me to just start shouting? No, since it is a business contract, let us treat it the same way. So Willis Capital can call this guy today. All right, that is my recommendation. Then you guys should align, adjust, and then pay him for work done. At least work done equals to force times distance. He must have done some kind of force and then added distance to it. So pay according to the work done. All right, let us also talk about the account Ways Up traded, okay, and they wanted to withdraw. They denied the withdrawal. All right, in my opinion, I'll be like, Willis Capital should just pay this guy that profit he made from that account. Do you know why I'm saying that? I'm saying this because they may be seizing that maybe as a punishment for violating any of the agreement or whatever. But I will still ask, it's not on my own powers to do this now. It's still on their resolving matters. They will still have to go back and resolve their differences. This is business contract they are bringing to us in the public. So they should go back and finish their business. They started it without us, And so let me also, recommend. I'm suggesting they pay him that withdrawal, that profit he made from the prof firm he traded, because you guys, Willis Capital, are connected to the live market. You have been saying that, and that's one of the pride we have with Willis Capital. You are connected to the live market, which simply means that those profits the young man made was profit he got from the markets directly. He traded Forex markets and then he got profit from the market. So if you are keeping that money, you are keeping his sweat. Do you understand what I mean? Had it been, it was a simulated account like any other prof firm, they give you demo account, you think you are trading real, I'll be like, okay, I understand. But since you guys are saying you guys are connected to the Forex live market, So that profit just gave the young man his profit, so that he will added to maybe any other payment you want to pay to compensate the work he must have done. Okay. Now, finally, when all this must have been met, I think it is also advisable that young man pulls that video down, because the caption there, Willis Capital scammed me, or is a scam. That is destroying the brand's image. So after they must have settled their differences, that video should probably go down, right? So that we listen to other complaints. Maybe a client traded a pro firm and did not get payout. Those ones we pay attention to, because this is a business. When business is violated, so it is a business contract, and we are behind you. We want them to settle it with you amicably. So if you guys settle amicably, then you can pull down your video. Now, will I still recommend Willis Capital for you to trade? The answer is yes, because I've not seen any significant issue surrounding this pro firm. In fact, they are the best, because out of other pro firms, African pro firm has been launching. They launch in 6 months, 3 months, they consume and go. You can bear witness to that. So they are still active and running, celebrating 1 year anniversary. And one other good thing is they respond to negative complaints. Believe me, Willis Capital will respond to this. Dr. Willis will pick up this. Trust me, he must react to this in one way or the other. He must say something about this. So let's keep going. I believe and I pray they resolve this amicably. I will see you next time. Don't go anywhere. Bye for now.